Okay, what's up, YouTube? Okay, so this is my second video on Jitter, or my experience with Jitter. I set out on this video, on this learning experience, actually trying to learn how to control MIDI with an external controller, and I really wanted to get into some of the knobs you can turn and the sliders and the keyboard. And after I started reading the tutorial and I went out and saw how much it would cost me to get one of these 61 key keyboards, I just was like, and I didn't really want to spend any more than about $50, and I don't know, I just gave up on it. And I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna be successful in learning Jitter, I gotta have product really quick. And so basically what I did is I started going, and I've downloaded this off of the Jitter website, some of the Jitter recipes. And so you click on these, it opens up this information. And what I did was I found ones. I basically tried to make something with what I knew, and I spent a couple hours and I put something together. So I knew that, first of all, that a jitter matrix connected to a jitter window would, and I titled it JSC, well, not this one, my other window, let's see here, JSC right there, would show something. And the first thing I did is actually connected a knob to one of these number things, and I started turning it, and it would change the window from black to white and black to white. And I thought, okay, that's pretty interesting. Then I started clicking in these different recipe things, and I started looking for matrix, and I just started copying and pasting and connecting them to the jitter matrix in different ways to see if I could just change what it was outputting. And eventually, it took me a couple tries, but I eventually found something that worked. And let me show you what it did first. Let's see, delete. So if I click on this, let's see here. This is what I got first, this kind of random noise kind of thing. Then I went around and I found this one right here, and I know that I needed to send like this metro object to it, which bangs it at a certain regular interval, and I connected it up, and it started doing this. Actually, let me take this off. It started doing this, and actually first I should say, the planes, I know that this controls, well, I believe that this controls the number of planes, because actually originally this is what it was. It looked like this, and I kind of wondered, okay, I wonder if I change the planes to 3, that way it would be able to mix different colors, what would happen. And it's really interesting that immediately when I do that, it changed it to a different color. And so I clicked on this. Okay, so then I found another one, and this actually controlled a different parameter originally, but then I just started randomly connecting things to see if it would do something, and this is what I got. So my point here is that, I think it was necessary for me to just kind of, for me to be able to have success with this program, I gotta always have a product, because I make a lot of music, and my whole objective is really to create something more interesting in the realm of video. And so if I'm not constantly getting some kind of product, I'm gonna get really pissed off, and I'm gonna get frustrated with the program and give up on it. But as long as I can keep having a little bit of success, it'll be better. So basically what I did is I made this, I enlarged it up, I recorded my video, I did like a video recording, and then I mixed it. I mixed it in with a video that I was making. And yeah, if you want to see it, I'll put a link in my description of where I got it. But basically, that was my experience, and I think it's good because I think in my next video I'm gonna be able to slow down and try to maybe figure out a little bit more of what all these terms, and they call them arguments, I guess, what they mean. If I could just figure a little bit more of this out, that'd be great. Anyways, that's all for now.